Have you ever driven past a house at night and thought, wow, that looks stunning? Get ready to shine a light on your home's beauty after dark with my outdoor lighting tip. Setting the scene. Let's start by illuminating the importance of setting the right scene with the outdoor lighting. Well-placed lights can accentuate architectural details, landscaping elements, and focal points, creating a visually stunning backdrop that's sure to turn heads. Enhancing safety and security. Next, let's shed light on the practical benefits of outdoor lighting beyond aesthetics. A strategic lighting can enhance safety and security around your home, deterring potential intruders and providing a peace of mind for you and your family. Creating mood and atmosphere. Finally, let's illuminate the power of outdoor lighting to evoke mood and atmosphere. Exploring different lighting techniques such as uplighting, downlighting, and accent lighting, and how they can be used to create dramatic effects and transform your outdoor space into a magical retreat. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening, you can set the perfect mood with just the flip of a switch. And there you have it, homeowners. Go ahead and light up the night and let your home shine. I'm Jenny Fischer with the Gillen Group.